Mahairoi nupi macha yangkai henbada khut sangbagidamag principal fare police. Mahairoi nupi macha yangkai henbada sexual harassment tawduna khut sangbagidamag Haryana gi Jin district government school principal ama fare haina police na ngarang phongdokre. Case adu thijinnaba member manga gi special investigation team amagi makok oiriba Deputy Superintendent of Police Amit Kumar Bhatiyana accused principal adu thangja numita fabani haina phone da hairakhe mahak numit mangani chenduna lairakibani adubo aikhoigi team singna mahak bu phare mahak jinda court adugi mamangda puthoklagani amasung makha taba investigation gidamak aikhoina mahak police remand piu haigani haina mahak na haikhe district adugi government school adugi nupi macha mahiro yangkai henbana sexual harassment tawbagi principal adubo maral siraki haina masigi mamangda Haryana State Commission for Women na haikhe sexual harassment gi maral siraki badugi matangda Jin administration na mahak suspend tawkiba numit kharanigi matungda Haryana police na ningthau kaba numita school principal adugi mathakta case laukhatkhiba nei